Hello everyone. This is Rohit Srivastav and welcome back to Coding with Rohit YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to solve a CSS puzzle from the website CSS Battle, and this is target number 6, missing slice. And now we solve this puzzle. So for this to solve this puzzle, here we can see we have three slices. To make these three slices, we use three div. So for that we simple just create three div and we use id. Here we give id a and we copy it, paste it, again paste it. We have three division for three slices. Okay, so we change the id for every div and c. A slice, B slice, and C slice. Now we open our style tag for the CSS. So here we write style and close style tag. So here we need to change the background color for this or also we select body. Sorry, we select body and give background color this pink. Perfect. Now we select div, give a height and width, height 100 px, width 100 px, and display inline block. Now we select A. Here we change the background color blue and give border radius 100 px 00, and we copy this and simple paste here, again paste here, and change the id b and c. We have these three slices. Now we have to change the border radius term. Okay, and again we change for this c. Here we change the background color and change the radius. Perfect. Now we have these three slices. Now we have these three slices, but we have to uh, move it from this position to this position, the center, and arrange in this position. Okay, in a round circle. So for that we use padding. We come here body in the body section and write padding. I already know this value because I already solved this puzzle, but when you are solving, I suggest you play with this value and we'll get perfect value. Here I just 42 px and 92 px. And if you want to see better solution for this puzzle, you can find on my website, that is codingwithrohit.com,